Hi all. So today I'm going to show you how to assemble your base for the magnetic levitation displays. You'll see the base prints out in two pieces. The bottom half that holds the levitation display or module and the top cover. Now to assemble this, we'll have to remove the power port and take the nut that comes with it and place that into the base. You should see that goes right in there. Should fit a little snug, enough to hold it in place, and you can use your finger to press it up against the edge of that hole there. Once that's in there, you should just take your power port and go ahead, pass that through, and you should see that the port now just screws in place. Give that a couple spins there. All right. That's pretty good. So with that in place, you can go ahead and connect your power cable back up. And then the module just slides into place. And then make sure that you don't pinch the cable when you're putting that in. You should see it comes out flush with the base. After that, you can take your top cover and place that on, slide it over. So with that in place, we can move on to build the top half, or the logo, the actual floating piece. You should have a magnet. Now be careful, this magnet is very strong. If you get it close to the base, you can feel, like you can see that even with my hand in between, it's still able to pick up that base. So for the magnet, you want to go ahead and place it into the magnet holder half of the model, and you should see that that can just slide in and twist, lock into place. Now without powering up, this would just kind of stay there. Now we'll go ahead and power the base now. You should see that logo come on. And now to get this to float, you'll just have to hold your hand under it and feel for that sweet spot where the model just kind of stays in place. And then you can just move your hand off of it and you should see that it stays floating. You can go ahead and give that a spin to get it to turn.